Hi, my name is Nikusha and I am here to give you the demonstration of SRD533 fixture. This is our fixture where we can test our hardware. This is our hardware which is assembled in this enclosure. This is our QR code serial number. This hardware we have to put into this fixture like this for the hardware test, and we have to push this knob. Okay, and this is tablet which is used for our PC application. This is 9-volt adapter which is connected here, and this is our QR code scanner, and you need printed serial number like this, and a OTG connection device. Now I will give you the demonstration of this fixture and its parts. This is a 9-volt adapter jack that you have to connect here. This is a switch for power on the device. When you power it on, the green LED will blink. There are two cables connected with this fixture. There is this cable is connected to the PC, and this cable is connected to the QR code scanner. This is a switch. There is start and stop switch. When you put this device, that hardware test for testing, you can directly start or stop the process by this switch. Now I will give you the demonstration of the configuration process. For that, we have to connect all our devices, our QR code scanner, our tablet with our fixture. Now there are two. The cable comes from the fixture, is connected with this tablet. This is a hub from where we connect our QR code scanner. This is our fixture where our 9-volt DC adapter is connected here. When we put the switch down, it will be turn on, and when we switch up, it will turn off. Now I will give you the demonstration of how to install this PCB into our fixture. You have to take this PCB like this and push it into the fixture, and you have to just push this knob and it will connect internally. You have to just remove like this. Now how to open the application? As we have already installed the application on our desktop as SRD533 for interior assembly, as you can see here, this is our exe file. You have to just open it. In this application, these are the different parameters. As you can see, this is a port selection. This is your start or stop button, and this is for test setup is for the adding your parameters. You have to just add the parameters or reset the parameters. These all are the testing parameters that will perform step by step, and this all are the results that was performed by these parameters. Now I will give you the demonstration of hardware test this PCBA SRD533. For this, we have to just connect the 9-volt DC adapter here. For turning on the fixture, you have to push this switch down. This green LED will blink and it will turn on. This, as you can see, this is a master port and this is a DUT port. In this application, when you just you have to just detect the ports after turning on the fixture. This will detect the ports. Okay, as you can see, the ports are come automatically. Okay, if you have to test this port, then push this button, test port, and you can see it here in DUT, red LED is blinking. Now stop it. Now we have to put this device into the fixture for testing, for hardware testing. Now push this knob. After pushing it, press the start button in application. This is our QR code that was pre-printed. You have to, when you start it, you have to scan it using this scanner. Once it scans, it will start the process automatically step by step, and at the end of the process it will configure. You can see all the results at here, test results. This is loading the field firmware. Now it will configure it. Okay, this all green color shows that all the parameters are passed, and here you can see the process colors. If any one of them is red, then the parameters test is failed. Now I will give you the demonstration of using the previous steps as with using this start button. You have to just take this hardware, testing hardware, you have to put it in the fixture, push this knob, and you have to just press this button for start the process. Now scan the QR code. As you can see, without using this start or stop button, I can configure my PCB. It's configuring. Now I will take the another PCB. This is another PCB. I am putting it here. As you can see, I have to just press the start button. Process is running. Scan the QR code. Now it will test all the parameters step by step. You can see the result. Thank you. It's configuring in its parts. Now take the next hardware and do the same process. Thank you.